Right, boys and girls, you've just watched a video on the life cycle of the frog. Now, what's very important to remember is that our frog is an amphibian. It's not a reptile, it's an amphibian, which means it lives in water and also on land. So, our froggy, when it's grown, it looks like this. So this is a grown frog, a grown-up frog. And they look very different to the little baby frogs when they hatch. Right. Now what I want to do with you is, on the table here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors of cardboard. And on the cardboard I've got the changes or the life cycle of the frog. We can also say a frog goes through a metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means a change. It changes from something and it develops slowly, and it grows into an adult frog. If we look at our pictures here on the table, Nicholas, can you zoom in? We've got a pink one, we've got a blue sheet, we've got a yellow circle, we've got a green circle, a purple circle, and a red circle. And all of these circles have stages of the frog's life. Now, we know that a mommy frog and a daddy frog have to get together, and the mommy frog will lay her eggs in water. The daddy frog comes and covers them with a squishy, liquidy substance that's called frog spawn. And which circle shows us the frog spawn? Can you point to teacher Irene and tell me which circle is the frog spawn? So we've got the mommy frog that's laid the eggs, right? Which one is the frog spawn? The frog spawn is the one with this jelly-like substance. So it's the pink circle is the frog spawn. So let's put it next to the mommy. What is the next stage, boys and girls? The next stage would be the little frog spawn hatching. So which of these 4 cards show us a tadpole just hatching? That's what a baby frog's called, a tadpole. So the next stage would be the green one. Well done. So this is a little tadpole. Then we've got 3 left over. Is it the circle with the little tadpole and the back legs? Is it the purple circle with the tadpole with the back legs and the front legs? Or is it this little froglet over here? Well done. It is the little tadpole with the back legs. So that's the next stage. After that, I think it's very obvious, between these two, it would be the little tail is shortening, the back legs are growing, and then we also have the front legs. So it would be the little purple one. And lastly, we'd have our little froglet, which will grow into a grown-up frog. And if we put all of these in a circle, boys and girls, it is called the life cycle. Right, the life cycle. So let's go through it one more time. We've got mommy frog that lays eggs. The daddy frog covers the eggs in a frog spawn. We have the eggs hatching into a tadpole. The tadpole's got a little tail and gills. Then the little tadpole has a tail and back legs. Then the little tadpole has a tail and back legs and front legs, but the tail's getting shorter. And eventually, boys and girls, the little tail falls away and we get a baby frog that's called a froglet. And the baby frog will grow into a big frog one day. Thank you for following along, and I hope you've enjoyed the life cycle of the frog and the metamorphosis of the frog. In other words, the frog changing. And remember, frogs live on land and they also live in water. So they are called amphibians. Can you say amphibians? Amphibians. Thank you, boys and girls. We're going to hop on to our next slide.